This video will explain the step-by-step installation process for D3D LittleLF wireless IP camera. D3D LittleLF camera is supplied with high-quality gift box. Open the box and take out all accessories. D3D camera is supplied with instruction manual, power adapter, USB cable, mounting bracket and screws. Camera can be easily placed on wall, desk or ceiling. Put the SD card in the camera card slot. Camera support up to 128 GB of micro SD card. Using the USB cable and power adapter, connect the camera with power supply. Camera will take 30-degree rotation and red light on camera will start blinking. Now search and install the mobile application from App Store. You can also search the QR code on the box to install the mobile application. Allow any access request from mobile application. To sign up, enter your email ID and click on Obtain button. A security code will be sent on your email ID. Enter the code and click on Next button. On next screen, enter any new password of your choice. Click on plus button on top right of the screen. Select wireless mode. Red light on camera should be blinking. If red light does not blink, reset the camera. On next screen, enter your Wi-Fi password. Select country and click on Next button. Keep the mobile phone near the camera. Now enter any name of your choice for the camera. Camera is now ready to use. Click on the Try button. D3D LittleLF is the world's first 3D panoramic camera. At startup, camera will take 15 pictures from all direction and combine them into a panoramic view, so you can see each and every corner of your home in a single picture. Tab anywhere on the screen to rotate camera, or you can just click on any picture and camera will automatically turn to that area. With 360-degree rotation function, camera can be rotated in any direction from mobile phone. Zoom function to see detail view. Use various buttons on mobile application to listen voice or take screenshot. Picture resolution can be adjusted accordingly. All recordings and video can be seen in gallery. Just slide the timeline to view previous recordings. All other settings can be configured from Setting button on home page. To do video chat with family, just press the button on camera. A notification will be sent on mobile application. Motion detection alarm can be set up from the home page. When any motion is detected, camera will send alert on mobile application and user can see the video. To share camera with family member, press the share button. There are many more settings that can be easily set up from settings screen. If you still have any query, please contact D3D support team and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching the video and we hope you enjoy your product from D3D Security Systems.